Now I will talk about virtualization software. You can use any one virtualization machine to create a virtual hacking lab. But in 2021, there are two software that is for the most popular virtualization machine. Their names are Oracle VirtualBox and VMware. I recommend you to use Oracle VirtualBox because it's completely free. Okay, open your favorite browser. Okay, then go to Google and search Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, okay, okay. See, Oracle VirtualBox, downloadable software. It's a free and open source. Okay, developed by Oracle Corporation. Okay, available system, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, okay, and etc. Okay, last update 1 day ago and first published 14 years ago. Okay, written in C, C++, assembly, Python. Okay, okay, it's a Oracle VirtualBox website official. Okay, go to website virtualbox.org. Okay, see, you can see on there about screenshot download. Okay, for download, go to download. Okay, then select the operating system you are using. I am using Windows, so click the Windows. Okay, download. Okay, if you are using OS, then you must download OS. If you are using Linux, then you need to download Linux distribution. Okay, okay. Now search VMware machine. Okay, okay. It's a paid. Okay, see VMware workstation. Okay, last update 56 days ago, and it's released 1999 and available Windows and Linux. Okay, writing in C, C++. Okay, now click there. Okay, VMware Workstation Pro. You can buy online on there. Okay, see. Okay, they are showing future. Okay, workstation pricing. Okay, work is VMware Workstation 16 player, 16 Pro, and 16 Pro Plus support basic 1 year. Okay, if you want to use VMware Workstation, then you need to use VMware Workstation 16 Pro. Okay, okay, you can also see features on there. Okay, okay, for buy, click buy option. Okay, okay, click the add to cart option. Okay, for buy, you need to create an account. Okay, Okay, then you can do payment with Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, and others. Okay. Okay. You can also do trial. Okay. For that, go to overview and then see try Workstation 16 Pro. Okay. Open a new tab. Okay. See VMware Workstation 16 Pro. Okay. Workstation 16 Pro for Windows and Workstation 16 Pro for Linux. I am using Windows, so click there. Okay. Download. Okay. Okay. See, it's a 30-day free trial. Okay. And no need to registration required. Okay. After 30 days, you must activation code. Okay. Okay. Install the Oracle Virtual Software. Okay. Install it anyway. Okay. You can also do right click and then open or run as administrator. Okay. Okay. Then next version 6.1.26. Okay. Then next. Okay. You can change location. Okay. Okay, create a state menu, place shortcut on the desktop. Okay, next. Yes. Warning network interface. Okay, yes. Ready to install. Okay, install. Okay. Wait. Okay. Yes. Okay, so already great. Okay. Here showing shortcut. Okay. Okay. Finished. See, that's it.